Okay, so those of you who watch my channel know I did an unboxing of this guy right here, which is the RumbleTek. Well, I realized the grill on these things just pop right off and expose the drivers. And then I also realized, wait a minute, there's screws, so let's see what's inside. But first I want to go over the speakers this thing has. Right here we have our main drivers right here. These are the main workhorses right here. And in here we have a passive radiator. As you can see, you can move it wherever. It does not have a voice coil. This is just moving with the speakers. So when the speakers are moving, that passive radiator moves from the air. So here's a demo, really quick, of how this will sound. I'm going to have to play a bassy song.
Extreme bass booster.
The reason it didn't sound so good is because I already have 4 screws removed from this guy right here. So let's go ahead and do these other 4. Whoa, and here we are inside. So did you hear the difference when I put it in the case, how much cleaner the sound suddenly had got? So here we have our speaker drivers. These are the 1.5 or 2 inch drivers that are right here. They have a pretty good amount of excursion on them. Those are our speaker drivers. And here's the back of our radiator right here. Shows the back of that. That's this middle piece. Here is our battery. It's a Canyo. It's 7.4 volts. Just a normal lithium-ion battery. And then here we have our amplification board. So we have right here, this is where all the amplifier chips are. 220. We have the woofer, or not the woofer, the speaker connections there. And then here we have all of these different chips. And then we have a microphone that connects here. This goes up to our controls. Everything is pretty well taped down and stuff, so we don't have any rattling going on. Then here we have our microphone, our speakers, our radiator, and then we have our sealing, like the seal that goes around it on the outside. So yeah, other than that, it's pretty well. That's all there is to it. It's a pretty simple design, yet it sounds amazing. Let's go back to my music app and hit turn down for what? That is what's inside of the BlackWeb RumbleTek. Wow, that was a pretty interesting video. But anyway, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.